How to change ESPN Fantasy League settings. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up espn.com on your browser. Make sure that you are opening it up on browser. And after that, you need to log into your account using your fantasy football credentials. And when you click on this option of your profile, you will be able to find the option of login. Since I'm already logged in, that's why it is showing as logout for me. But for you, it will show as login. So after that, you can just simply log into your account, and in case if you are not able to find that particular option over here, then you will be able to find the option of login at the left hand side panel. After logging into your account, just click on this option of fantasy at the top, and over here select the game of your choice where you want to make the changes to the league. Suppose I want to make changes to the football league, so I will select the football over here. Wait for it to load. And after that, you will be able to find the list of leagues that you are part of on the right hand side over here, and just select any of the league for which you want to change the settings. And after selecting that league, you will be able to make changes to the settings. And in case if you created that particular league, then you will also get additional settings of league manager tools at the top. Just select league manager tools and you will be able to make changes to the draft and all sort of other advanced settings. And this is how you make changes to the league settings using espn.com. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.